When smoke and fire threaten lives and property, reaction time is crucial. Welcome to Fike City. For over 65 years, Fike has been at the forefront of protection from fire. Today's large structures and increasing public safety concerns demand the finest solutions. Whatever large environment you control, we can protect it. Leisure facilities and hotels, art galleries and museums, offices, and of course educational institutions, from schools to entire university campuses. Fike presents CyberCat, a range of UL-approved addressable panels from 50 points to over 1,000 points, offering ultimate flexibility. Fike's Mark Kendall.
One of the key benefits to the CyberCat system is the integration of all the different parts of the fire system that can be brought together at the panel. So for instance, with the CyberCat Command and Control Center, we can have integrated voice evacuation, we can have integrated fire telephones, and we can also have integrated smoke control and relay function and messaging outputs.
The CyberCat panel has detected a fire in Classroom 6. It has sounded the alarm in that area and evacuation has begun. Speakers in the area can be used for further communication from the fire officer at the CyberCat panel or from fire officials when they arrive on site. Nearby areas can be communicated with to stand by in place or evacuate as needed.
Graphical management software is also available for the CyberCat system, which allows us to give a graphical presentation of the building, and we display on that graphical representation all the points that are connected to the fire system. This gives one easy point for the fire brigade or for the building management company to look at what's going on with the system and get real-time information out of the fire alarm panel. Because of the modularity of the system, we can add extra switch cards in for each of the paging zones. This allows the fire department, when they turn up, to be able to speak individually to a particular area of the building and give them special commands outside of the voice evacuation system. Other systems are available on the market with these different functions, but only CyberCat brings that together in one package with the Command and Control Center.
The digital peer-to-peer bi-directional communication system that delivers it all. CyberCat from Fike.